Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about exactly how to test creatives for Clothing Brand. The exact same strategy that I've used for more than 70 plus clients of mine, and we have managed to scale them to 6 figures a month. Like as you guys can see, for this client alone, we're at $92,000, and we use the exact same testing strategy to get these numbers swiped to last month. As you guys can see, we got $27,000 alone last month with this testing strategy. Like in this video, I'm gonna break down everything that we did to get to these numbers. And also, if you guys don't know who I am, I'm Abdullah, one of the co-founders of Flows Marketing, where we have helped more than 70 plus clothing brands scale to 6 figures like this one right here, as you guys can see. So if you guys would be interested to work with us personally, this keyword, what are you waiting for? Just schedule a call with us down below. I'll personally hop on a call with you and we can see what you can do for your brand. Like, we're scaling brands left to right and you're missing out. Like, we don't just do the ads, we do the SMS marketing, email marketing, the ads, and also just handle all of your backend operations. Like, all you have to do is take care of the brand, like record the content and ship orders. Like, that's all you have to do if you're working with us. So if you guys will be interested in all that, just schedule a call with us down below. Let's get straight to work. Alright, so let's start with the video. Alright, so in this video I'm gonna break down exactly how to test creatives for clothing brand, the exact testing strategy that we have used for our clients, and they are all eaten. And also, after you have tested the creatives, how to scale the creative. Like, we're gonna break down everything for you from A to Z. Gonna hop on the ads manager right now, so let's get straight to work. Alright, so I just hopped on a new ad account right here, as well as you can see. Then what you want to do is go here, press create. You're gonna go with sales, no traffic. Like, traffic is for engagement, sales is the real deal. If you want to get sales with your brand, then you press sales, continue. Alright, so after you have pressed continue, wait, let me put this right here. Alright, so after you press continue, what you want to do is name this I'm gonna name this Flows. You want to go with campaign budget. So a lot of you guys have been asking me, yo, what's the right budget to start with ads? And personally, the best budget I say you want to start with is $50 a day. That's the preferable budget that you guys need to start with. But if you guys don't have the budget to start with 50 a day, then you can start with 30, like 30 to 50. That's the minimum. For example, let's say you have a high ticket products like up to $100 to $200. You can't start with 30 to 50. You gotta start with something high. Like, you're gonna get results with 50, but you're not gonna get results with 30, trust me. But the preferable budget, if you have a high ticket product, can start with 80, or just match the average order value. Let's say you're selling a $150 product, you can start with $150. Alright, so that's how it works. So as you guys can see, while we're talking, as you guys can see, just got an order right here for one of my clients. So if you want to join the team and also keep printing like my clients, just share the corridors down below. Let's get straight to work. The best budget you can start with is 50. So that's the budget we're gonna go for with this test campaign right here. 50. Then you go down everything, just try to copy the exact same thing. Then you go here, you go to the ad set level, then broad back one, because it's the first back. The conversion location is going to be the website. As you guys can see, maximize number of conversion or maximize value, but this is the recommended, and this is what you should go for in the beginning. Then also, I don't have a pixel because this is a test ad account, but then you use the pixel. Then conversion goal is purchases. Yes, so that's it. Don't listen to all of this stuff. Like, just start the ad when you're done. Like, what I personally do is I leave it like this. I let Meta do the work for me, but if you want to use it, you can just go here. Age is gonna be 18 to 30 because that's the age that streetwear brands, like, that's their demographic. But you guys need to take a moment and think about this. Like, who are your target audience? Like, who are people that are gonna buy your stuff? Who do you see wearing your stuff? Then you pick a age based on that. Then if you choose an age, don't forget, remove this, use as a solution. It's just Meta trying to limit you and remove all that stuff for you. Don't listen to Meta. Like, all of these recommendations that Meta tell you is fucking bullshit. You just wanna use you to get data for themselves. When I listen to you, Meta, then personally I leave it at advantage plus on. I leave Meta do the work for me. Like, what I want you guys to know, that even if you let Meta do the work for you, you let them target all the Facebook, Instagram, like, they're not gonna spend that much. The main place that they're gonna spend on is Instagram, because Instagram is where your target audience are. Meta knows more than you, so sometimes you just have to let Meta do the work for you. Let them target where do you want to target, because even, for example, let's say you have a $50 budget, trust me, the only allocated budget that's gonna go to Facebook, because you don't, all of your buyers are usually on Instagram. The only allocated budget that's gonna go through Facebook is not less than $3 to $5, and those $3 to $5 that are gonna go to Facebook, like I've seen it before, brands, you can get a purchase from that $3 to $5 that you spent. Meta is not gonna spend that much on Facebook, so just let Meta do the work for you. So after you have let Meta chosen everything for you, then you go here, add one right here. Alright, so after you have selected all of that stuff, like then you name the ad one, create an ad, you add one creative way. I'ma just go with my brand. Let's see, advanced.us. If you guys don't know, like that's my brand, by the way. Then you want to go down with, I'ma just go with existing posts because I'm just gonna use an ad for my brand. You're gonna go here, then you go through Instagram right here, as you guys can see. I'ma just choose this ad because it went crazy for my brand. Select it. Like if you guys want me to record a video showing the creatives that works for my clients, 100% do that. Just let me know in the comment section. Then after I've chosen the ad, what you want to do, your call to action is gonna be shop now, your website right here. Alright, so the number one mistake I see all of you guys make is you let all of this stuff on. Like trust me, it's just Meta trying to make you use all of this stuff, especially this one, this adapt multi-image ads. This fucks up your ads, like trust me, especially if it's photos. Stop using this stuff, like please guys. The only one that you guys are allowed to use is the catalog, then also text improvements. Like that's the only one that you guys can use, which is good for you. What I want you guys to do is, if it's like this, then you turn it on, then off, then all of them are gonna go away. Alright, so another question I get asked a lot is, how many creatives should I test? The best spot for creative is 5 creatives, like 5 to 8 creatives. But if you have a $50 budget, the best creative that you're gonna do is 5 creatives. But if you have a $30 budget, you can go 3 to 4. Doesn't really matter, but the sweet spot is 3 to 5 creatives or 5 to 8. If you pass that, you need to be spending more. Start with 5, then give them a week. If they're performing give them 4 days. If they're performing in the 4 days, you can chill the ads that are performing. And also, how do you know if an ad is performing? So after you've run 5 ads, then after 3 days to 4 days, you come check the CTR, the CPM, all of this stuff, like amount spent. Then you press the amount spent from highest to low. The highest spender, and also if the highest spender has the most purchases, like that's a winning ad. That means you can scale that ad. That's an ad that's scalable. The one that with the highest spend, the one that's giving you the most return. Alright, so let me hop on the brand that we just started running ads for. Alright guys, so I just hopped on another account that we just started running ads for. The one that we're probably running, we started running these ads around a week ago, but as you guys can see, it's fucking going crazy. We spent $800 to get back around $3,700 with a 4.33x ROAS. This is a sign that you can scale this brand like crazy. Based on the data right here, as you guys can see, the purchase, the ROAS, purchase conversion value, the ROAS, the CTR, the CPC, and all that stuff. As you guys can see, based on all of this data right here, the ones that are scalable are this one right here. Like based on data right here, the number one ads, 3 ads that are scalable are this one right here. These 3 ones right here, because they're the most spenders and they're getting us good return, especially these 2 right here. This one is, what you guys want to do is you duplicate the ads for, you select them, duplicate, remove this. Like don't listen to Meta telling you all of this stuff. They're just trying to make you use all of their stuff. So after you have made this thing, you just name the campaign flows, scaling campaign right here. As you guys can see, the objective is scale pack 1 right here, because it's the first batch of creative that we're gonna scale. You can write the date and go right here, make sure everything is the same like before. Then also here, make sure everything is the same. Alright guys, so after you have done all of that, then you can start the ads. Like let them run, give them a $100 budget, let them run for 4 days, see if they're holding the $100 budget. Then you can scale them, like if they're doing better than the broad pack. Like also, one thing you guys do is you turn off the ads when you have scaled them. Like let them keep running in the prospecting campaign. Like why will you turn something off while it's performing? Like it's performing, you don't even know if the ones in the scaling campaign will perform. So let the ads run in the testing campaign. Don't turn them off when you have scaled them. Like let them run. The only time that you can turn them off is after your ads in the scaling campaign has started performing. Also, personally for me, I don't turn them off even if they're performing the validate scale campaign. Let them keep running, because they're just gonna turn off a thing that's performing. Alright, so after you have scaled all that shit, you let them run for like 3 days. If they're performing, then you can scale them at 20% up. Or sometimes, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, that's all bullshit. I don't really use all that 20% rule, all of that stuff. I just scale when I feel like scaling, and if they're performing, like, that's all. You just check the last 3 days. If they're performing the last 3 days, you can fucking scale that shit from $50 budget to $100 budget. Doesn't really matter as long as they're gonna hold. Like, you guys need to forget about your money when you're doing this shit. Like, think with data. You gotta scale with data. One thing I want you guys to know is that all that people that show you high ROAS, like a 10 ROAS, like, that's fucking bullshit. You don't need that much ROAS. Like, if you're at a 10x ROAS, that means you're not spending enough. Scale that budget by 50%, because what the fuck are you doing at 10x ROAS? Like, you can be making more when you scale that shift. Let's say you're spending 100 and you have a 10x ROAS. Like, what are you gonna do with all the ROAS? Like, scale that shit by 50%, and trust me, you're gonna get more money than you spending 100. You guys don't really stop listening to all these people online tell you bullshit about ads. Like, they also know what they're doing. So we'll just scale that budget up. Please stop listening to all those people telling you leave that budget. Like, that's all for this video. But if you guys got a little bit of knowledge from this video, just let me know in the comment section. Also, most importantly, if you want me to work on your ads by myself, like do all the stuff for you, run the ads, handle your backend stuff, email marketing, SMS marketing, all of that stuff, just schedule a call with us down below, and trust me, your life is gonna change.